Hi everyone. So today I'm going to start with something new, and this may be a helpful thing for a lot of individuals. So idea is to like upgrade the physiotherapy profession with the help of this thing. So what I'm introducing now is mentorship program for physiotherapist. So far, like as per my knowledge, no organization is offering mentorship program for physiotherapist in India. So this is like the first venture of its own kind in India. So what I'm trying to achieve with this is for the physiotherapists is how they can upgrade themselves to a better physiotherapist, how they can be at the best of their potential, how they can increase their increments which they are supposed to get 3 months later, how they can find out the avenues which they have not tapped so far to increase their financial freedom, how to be unstoppable at the workplace. To know more, please text in the comment box. We'll try to answer your query.